Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here we have Bose QuietComfort 45 headphones. I want to introduce our cooling gel premium custom made ear pads. So on the right side we have our Central Sound cooling gel ear pads, and then on the left side of these we have the stock OEM ear pads, which are included on the headphones when you purchase them. So I'm going to go over the differences between the two, how to install them, how to remove them, and all that. If you are interested in picking up a pair, you can check us out, centralsound.co. Use promo code CG10 for a discount. So on the left side we have our cooling gel ear pads. You can see a difference in thickness right off the bat. And then here we have these opened up and dissected. On the right side is our cooling gel ear pads. Left side is the stock ear pads, and there's definitely a difference in the memory foam, as you can see. And then in order to remove these, you would just pinch them and pull them right off. There's little plastic clips that hold the ear pads in place. Here we have our cooling gel ear pads. This is a moisture wicking material that touches the skin when you have these installed and wearing them. And then you can see here this cooling gel layer right there on the top there, so very effective at cooling your ears off. And then we have the foam plastic rim on the back to hold the ear pad in place. So very easy to install. Here are the compatible models which you can use our cooling gel ear pads on, so definitely fits several different around ear models. Right here is a comparison between the stock ones and our cooling gel ones, so definitely an immediate difference right off the bat when just taking a glance at them. Definitely a huge difference. So there's not many of these custom ear pads on the market for these models, so definitely an exclusive item. If you want to pick these up and try them out, you're more than welcome to at centralsound.co. So also here is the fabric mat, which is stuck on there with a little bit of adhesive on the left and right side. So these just peel right off. You can peel off the fabric mat and then scrape off any excess adhesive just like this. I'm just using my finger here. It's fairly simple, not a long process. And then here's our fabric mat. There's little plastic sheets on the back. You just remove those, and then you can line it up and install it just like that. And just press around the edges, make sure that it's in place and lined up properly. And then you would take our ear pad and then line it up. The seam would go on the bottom section, like that. And then there are little plastic clips on the ear cup that you would need to push this rim underneath. So you would gently press down all the way around the edges, and you will hear some clips or some snaps actually once they get underneath there. So fairly simple process. Just work all the way around and take your time with it. So we are a small USA-based business in the Midwest. All of our items are sold and shipped by us. We have 14 plus years selling online, and also 14,000 plus reviews and feedbacks online. So definitely an established business and a verified seller through Google as well. So definitely buy with confidence. So once it's installed, just give it a gentle tug, make sure everything's in place and it's not loose. So that's what they look like when they are installed. And when you do wear these and put them on, you can definitely feel that cooling sensation immediately once you put them on. So huge improvement. Also, these are deeper set too. So if you kind of have larger ears, or maybe your ears are touching on the drivers, the components inside, these are an excellent option for you. And after a while, the original ones do kind of flatten out. So excellent upgrade for your Bose headphones. And once again, these fit many different around ear models, practically all of them. We do not have any of these for any on ear models, only around ear at the time. So you can order a pair at centralsound.co. We do have various promo codes out there. So thank you for watching, and check us out.